Ladies and gentlemen, shout out to my friend Tasty Peanut. She was recently having trouble with her channel. Specifically, her YouTube shorts weren't showing on her channel page. I managed to get to the bottom of the problem, something that even in conversations that she'd had with YouTube and YouTube gurus, that they couldn't even get to the bottom of this. But I did a little bit of testing on my own channel and I worked out what had happened with her YouTube shorts, ladies and gentlemen. Did you know that if you age restrict a YouTube short, it won't appear on the main page of your channel in your shorts section on the channel? I didn't know that either. But I had a look at my channel, I went over a few things. I've got an age-restricted short on my channel, and I noticed that it wasn't showing on the main page. So I did a test, I age-restricted another one, I went back to the main page, and it had disappeared. Knowing that Tasty Peanut does age-restrict a lot of her content, I went back to her and I said, I think this is happening because of the age restrictions. She then went and deactivated the age restrictions on her shorts, and hey presto, they appeared on her channel. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know why YouTube have worked their shorts sections in this way, but it seems that they have, and it's not noted in any of the documentation, terms of service. I even had a text chat with YouTube itself, but they just kind of seemed oblivious. It was almost like they didn't seem to know what I was talking about when I was messaging them. So, no help there. So basically, if you're having an issue or a problem, you just kind of have to solve it yourself on the fly rather than trying to get YouTube themselves to try and help you with it. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I felt that's a bit of important information that's not actually out there in the sphere of knowledge. If you age restrict a YouTube short, it won't show in the shorts feed on your YouTube channel. I'll catch you next time. See ya.